You're broken. And you know it. Every morning you wake up and pretend you're not, but you feel it in your bones. That heaviness. That weight crushing your chest. Life didn't just knock you down, it destroyed you. And here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. Good. You needed to break. Because the person you were before, that person was weak. Comfortable. Soft. You were living a lie, wearing a mask, playing it safe, and calling it wisdom. You were dying slowly and calling it living. And life saw through your bullshit. So it broke you. Not to punish you. To rebuild you. Listen to me. Right now, in this moment, you have a choice. You can sit in your pain like it's a throne and wear your suffering like a crown. You can tell everyone who'll listen about how hard life has been to you. How unfair it all is. How you got the short end of the stick. Or you can use this breaking as your awakening. Nobody is coming to save you. Read that again. Nobody is coming. Not your parents. Not your friends. Not some divine intervention. The world doesn't owe you anything. It never did. And while you're waiting for life to get easier, for the storm to pass, for your breakthrough to arrive, you're wasting the only life you'll ever have. But here's what they don't tell you about being broken. Broken things can be rebuilt stronger. A broken bone heals thicker. A broken heart learns what it truly values. A broken spirit, when it rises, becomes unbreakable. You think this pain is the end? This is the beginning. Every single person you admire, every warrior, every champion, every icon, they were broken first. They sat exactly where you're sitting. In the dark. In the doubt. In the devastation. The only difference between them and the ones who stayed broken, they decided their story wasn't over. They decided that rock bottom was the foundation they built their empire on. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for the pain to go away. It won't. You don't heal by avoiding the wound, you heal by walking through it. By doing the work when you don't feel like it. By showing up when every cell in your body screams to quit. By taking one step forward when you can barely stand. So what are you going to do? Are you going to let this break define you? Or refine you? Will you be the person who gave up when it got hard? Or the one who became unstoppable because of it? Life broke you because the old you couldn't handle where you're meant to go. The comfort zone you lived in. It was a cage. And it took devastation to set you free. So get up. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel better. Now. While it still hurts. While you're still bleeding. While every voice in your head tells you that you can't. That's when you move. Because here's what I know about you. You didn't come this far to only come this far. You didn't survive everything you've survived just to give up now. The world tried to break you, and you're still breathing. That means you're stronger than you think. Tougher than you know. And more capable than you've ever imagined. This is your moment. Not to return to who you were, but to become who you were always meant to be. You're not broken. You're breaking through. Now move.